And if the beat live, you know Lil Ju made it.
Hands on my knees, shaking on my thigh. Post me a pic, finna make me a profit. When the liquor hit, then the get toxic.
Why the you in the club when it's wild?
I've been lit since brunch. That order 42 for the table, let's pop shit. Missionaire or a doggy style on my top shit. Hey, niggas hating on me from the closet. Tryna call me a snake. Guess I can relate, cause a bit a whole lot of venom. And since these all rats, when they come around me, all I see is a whole lot of denim. I walk around the house butt naked and I stop at air mirror just to stare at my own posterior. I don't give a who talk behind my back, cause the knew better than to let me hear. Hands on my knees, shaking on my thigh shot. Hands on my knees, shaking on my thigh shot. Hands on my knees, shaking on my thigh shot. Hands on my knees, hands on my knees, hands on my knees, shaking on my thigh shot. Hands on my knees, shaking on my thigh shot. Hands on my knees, shaking on my thigh shot. Hands on my knees, hands on my knees. Say they wish a would, and I'm a genie. So hot, gotta stay in bikinis. He got a girl, but he keep begging to see me. I love it when a got a mouth full of BBs. No, I'm not a patient, but I let him treat me. I gotta be a doctor, how I'm ordering CCs. Go to your place, no face, no case. 99% tint in a blacked out race. I remember used to clap for me happily. Now I'm bossed up and them same mad at me. Acting like they riding whole time trying to pass me. Watching me go through it, still trying to drag me. Acting like you winning if you think about it actually. Are they supporting you or really just attacking me? I don't give a about a blog trying to bash me. I'm the per the Recording Academy. Hands on my knees, shaking on my thigh shot. Hands on my knees, shaking on my thigh shot. Hands on my knees, shaking on my thigh shot. Hands on my knees, hands on my knees, hands on my knees, shaking on my thigh shot. Hands on my knees, shaking on my thigh shot. Hands on my knees, shaking on my thigh shot. Hands on my knees, hands on my knees. Drinking out the muff, bottle on my thigh. Everything I eat goes straight to my pockets. 2021, finna graduate college. Got dirt, I'm a real hot topic. On a make them sing on some pop shit. I need a real headbang on some rock shit. Like when they hit it like dope, got a real hot box for the don't smoke. Hot girl, but I'm still the coldest. Hey, I'm the big homie, but I ain't the oldest. Dry hating, trying to get noticed. Man, ain't nobody come to see you, Otis. Look, how many lying if they say they boss is better? They really puppets, so I really gotta go at your petter. I'm really talking, but it really can apply to whoever. My pen a freak, it'll go after a Jordan. Big bang, take little bang, add it up. Taking shots, but they ain't in my caliber book. But I squeeze a little head in my calendar, looking in the mirror like, damn, I don't bragging up. LVs, double C's, Birkins, I'm working. My chain ain't hitting if a chain hurting. Look, I ain't even finna argue with a one thing. I know two things for certain. None of these saying shit to my face, and none of these finna see me at the bank. And I'ma keep talking all the that I won't. Not damn one of you come tell me I can't. We ain't even speaking if the ain't spinning. He could never say that I was one of his women. I don't even let know I stay. I be damn if you think you popping up on this pimpin'. Hands on my knees, shaking on my thigh shot. Hands on my knees, shaking on my thigh shot. Hands on my knees, shaking on my thigh shot. Hands on my knees, hands on my knees, hands on my knees, shaking on my thigh shot. Hands on my knees, shaking on my thigh shot. Hands on my knees, shaking on my thigh shot. Hands on my knees, hands on my knees.
And if the beat live, you know Lil Ju made it.